Before I jump into this video, I just want to recommend you don't try anything I do on this video at home. It's extremely dangerous. I'd hate to see anybody get hurt trying to do something I did on one of my videos, so just full disclaimer, don't try this at home. I have these wheel spacers laying around that are the right lug pattern for the cop car. I want to run them on the front and then run the ones in the front that are just a little bit smaller than these in the back. However, the lip on the inside of these right here is too big to fit in the wheel opening on the cop car. It doesn't quite fit flush. So I need to machine that lip down, but I don't have any kind of mill or lathe to machine them down. So what I've built is this cutting tool. I'm using another floor jack. I use it kind of like a wood lathe. Hold that inside of there like that and see if we can machine that lip off. It's not completely done. I'll have to do a little more shaving, but I think we can get it. Not quite all the way gone yet, but I think close enough they'll work. I'll take my sander to that while it's spinning, knock it down a little bit, and I think we'll be good to go. And then I just got to do one more. Use my handy dandy belt sander. This was given to me by my friend Mr. BJ A. Duddle, or at Mr. A. Duddle 801 on the gram. Probably not the cleanest thing on the planet, but chrome don't always get you home. As long as she works and functions, which I believe she will, we'll get it done. little bit of that lip left. We'll finish cutting it with the tool, and then I'll smooth it out with the sander. Throw them on and show you what it looks like. Okay. Got Got number 2 finished off, looking pretty good. They said she ain't gonna be show quality, but should function as we need. Alright, so like I said, these thicker ones are gonna go on the front. The ones ahead on the front are gonna go on the back. Looks like the front ones will now be 2" and the rear are 1.5". Should give me a little more room up here in the fender well. Those tires were tucking in about that far, so should push them out to where they fit just right and don't rub up inside of there as bad. I always like to make sure to torque these, both the wheel spacer and the wheel when they go on. The back will hold with the e-brake, and then the front I'll just use like a screwdriver or something in the slots in the rotor to keep it from spinning while I torque them down. There it is, it's all done. Put them tires a little bit better in that wheel well. And let's set the back ones just about right. Not sticking out, but right where they should be.